Hello everyone, welcome back to another C++ programming tutorial. In today's video, we are going to discuss about references in C++. So let's know the theory of reference. A reference variable is a reference to an existing variable and it is created with the ampersand operator. Okay, so this ampersand basically means the reference. I'm writing it here. The ampersand is the reference. Okay, so what is a reference? For that I am going to take some variables in here, and I will take the variable as string. You can take any other data type also. I am taking it as string for better understanding. So I am declaring a string country. Okay, so I have you all know that we have to write the string in double quotes, right? So the country is United States of America. Okay, so we have took a string and the value of that is United States of America. Now I am declaring another string. Then I am going to take a reference variable, and the reference variable will be country name equal to country. So what does these two lines means? In first line we have declared a simple variable, and in the second line we have created a reference of the first variable. That means you can access the variable either using the country name or either using the country. Both are the same. Okay, so if I try to just see the output here, cout, I want to see country and line, and I want to see the country name also. These both. Okay, let me run the code and see. So you can see the both are the same. Okay, so either you can access the first variable's data with the reference variable of the second one, country name. You can access the country United States of America with the second variable or the reference variable country name. Okay, so this ampersand sign basically is the reference variable of the first variable. Okay, so this is the basic concept of references. So you all know that every variable is stored inside a memory, right? This string country United States of America, this value is stored in a specific part of the memory, right? So by using ampersand we can also get the memory address of a variable, which is the location of where the variable is stored inside computer. Okay, so let us see how we can do this thing. So here the string country, inside this country variable we have stored this value United States of America. So this country we will try to see the memory location of this country. So the for finding the memory location we use the same variable of the reference variable as reference. We use the ampersand sign for accessing the memory location also. Okay, so I am giving ampersand sign here and I'm just commenting this out. Okay, I just commented it out. Now the program output should show me the memory location of the country variable where it is stored inside my computer. So let me run the program and see what does it gives. Okay, you can see here the program has gave inside which location this country variable has been stored inside my computer. This is the specific location address. That means you can access the address location of the variables, each and every variable in the programming language. So this is the main fundamental of references. So references, by using reference, we can refer to an existing variable and it is created with the ampersand sign or ampersand operator. And the second thing is we can also use it to get the memory address of a variable, inside which location or where variable is stored on our computer. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be discussing about more topics of C++ in our future lecture videos. Thank you for watching.